What it do, man? It's your boy Battle Truth coming to you live and direct from the Battle Truth headquarters. Let's get right off into this, man. Mav Hopper versus Charlie Clips went down. Mav Hopper had been doing good as of lately in his past battles, man. Charlie Clips have too. I can't hold that back. I'm gonna keep it 100 with you. Charlie Clips have too. So I knew both these dudes coming together. This was going to be a good battle. I was expecting to hear a lot of personals and things like that. I actually had Mav Hopper losing this battle to Charlie Clips. I thought Charlie Clips won this battle. And I'm going to tell you why I believe Charlie Clips won this battle and where Mav went wrong. I think Charlie Clips got straight to the point and had more things implemented in his rounds based upon Mav by Charlie Clips being more direct and straight to the point. So more information from Clips was given that hit more at home than the Mav situation. As good as Mav was in this battle, I think he fell short in the third round. I think Mav fell short in the third round. I think he took too long to get to where he wanted us to be. Even though he told his story, it wasn't enough hidden within the story to give him the edge and leverage over Charlie Clips. Even though he gave us some information and said some real things, it was just too long drawn out. And a lot of it wasn't just straight to the point like. You know what I'm saying? And I thought that he should have been better at that. Now, in this battle, Mav opened up some doors to the battle rap community concerning the real in-depth situation behind Clips and Disaster. So now it's bigger than what I thought it was. I just thought it was a simple little thing and Mav probably was just over-exaggerating. But I had no idea Clips was actually a real associate of this brother. And that they used to be at each other's house and come to each other's houses and really call and talk on the phone with each other and things like that. So that just changes everything. It changes everything because you just left that brother hanging. But this is a different battle. This is a different conversation. So I think Mav was good in this battle. There's some things could have been better. It could have been better said. Could have been better said. And he would have been more effective. I think he stayed on topic of one thing too long. Too long. And it showed in this battle. Even though he was good. His first round, I think I had Mav beating Clips in the first round. Yeah, I think I had Mav beating Clips in the first round. And I had Clips beating Mav in the second round, I believe. And then the third round, I had Clips just winning because Clips was just barring away. You know what I'm saying? But I also like Mav angle in the third. Mav had a nice angle in the third. I like how you put that down about Clips trying to post shade on his pops when his pop was in the street. And you trying to post shade on your pops, but when your pop was out here, he's making sure your mama, your mama and them was all eating and stuff like that. And your mama had no problem spending that money when she was getting it from him and things like that. And you don't even understand the situation he probably was in. I like how he switched that up though, to just shed a little light on Charlie Clips' father being a snitch. Like, if this man trying to snitch to make sure he come home to you and your mother, who he was taking care of before he went in, why would you try to hate on him for doing that? If anybody should be respectable of him, it's you Forget what the outsider say and feel. That's what outsiders supposed to do. But you, his son, he was trying to get home to you. He was taking care of y'all before he went to jail. So if he sniffed to get home to you, why you pouring salt on your own daddy and hating on him for being a snitch when he was trying to come home to you? That was cold. That was a cold thing. But he just stretched the story out too long, though. He stretched it out too long. And I think that's where the problem came in that it was nice points to it, but it wasn't enough. It wasn't enough. It wasn't enough hidden. You know what I'm saying? You just had to just listen to the way he was going and saying, and it just wasn't enough. And Charlie Clips won that battle. Which I knew he would. Because the thing about Clips is he know what he up against. And that's what his third round was about. His third round was a counterattack against Math. He knew what Math was going to do. He wrote pertaining to what he knew Math was going to do. So the counter he gave on Math in the third was very effective. It was very effective. You know what I'm saying? Because it actually really showed the Clips I knew he was going to be and do. It's common sense. Anybody going up against Math gonna know one thing. He's going to bring out personals. And 9 times out of 10, it's the personals you already know that's out there about yourself, which should make your writing more better, seeing that it's actually set up to counter what you already know he gonna say. And that's how Clip won this battle, because that's exactly what he did. And that should be a formula and method for anybody who been rapping long enough that they got dirt out here on them, man. Simple as that. So this your boy Battle Truth. Make my judgment lesson question is yours. That's when Math went wrong. And he also went wrong by believing Clips was gonna be there in the corner when he was going through what he went through, man. It's your boy Battle Truth. It ain't my judgment, that's a question. It's yours. Subscribe to Battle Truth.